Here we go.
Money, money, making crap for money, money, and money, money, making crap for money, money, yeah 让他们都在说有钱才能做自我，掉入消费主义陷阱，花钱不思索，被思想的艺术厅多得我快数不清，有垃圾点缀的歌我简直都